All right, what's up everybody? This is your favorite homeboy and Autumn, and today we're going to give you a quick tour. Hopefully it's going to be quick because it's a big home. It's going to be over 5,000 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 3.5 bath of our newest home in the Poconos. So let's get a quick tour of the home. Let's walk through it and I can show you all about it. All right, first of all, let me just give you a little layout of the land. Nice even driveway, big old tree right here, looks super cool. And Autumn's gonna walk up, open us up. 2-car garage. We're gonna do the inside first and then the outside. Again, we're gonna go pretty quick. And you know, the funny thing is, this is the first time we're seeing it also. So this is like a reaction video.
Leave our shoes outside.
We'll leave our shoes outside, good idea. All right, let's get inside this home. We are seeing it for the first time, guys. So we're so excited. You get to the entryway right here. You got this amazing wall of windows. Wow, that is just beautiful. And over to the left, we got the first, we'll call this what, bedroom one?
Yeah.
And
wow.
Supposedly it should be an office, but of course it's a vacation rental, so it's a perfect bedroom. A little bit of games there.
Lots of storage.
Lots of storage, and definitely you could put a queen size bed here, even a king maybe.
Yeah, I think this is a double.
Yeah. All right, take us through, babe.
All right.
What's across the hall there?
I don't know. Closet? Okay. Yep, a closet.
Yeah, nice little closet.
For coats.
Okay.
And we have a little, this is nice. Maybe like welcome message or something.
Yeah, a little welcome message, chalkboard there.
Second bedroom is over here on the right.
Okay. What do we got? Type of beds here?
It looks like this is a queen and this is a double.
Queen and double?
Yeah, a queen and a double here.
Okay. Now remember, you can sleep 24 people in this house, so we love homes that can sleep at least 16.
Then there's a bathroom, a nice sized bathroom here.
All right. Looks good.
Shower.
With a shower, so it's a full bath.
Yep.
Perfect for these 3 bedrooms here in the main level. This is the third bedroom.
This bedroom looks like it's also a queen and a double.
Queen and a double. Every room has a television, right? Smart TV.
Yeah. I don't know if it's smart, but we'll see.
We'll make it smart.
Yeah, beautiful.
Dang, look at these ceilings. So high up. Wow.
Very open.
Very open, which is amazing. People love coming into these vacation rentals, having lots of space, especially when they're coming with like 3 or 4 families, or 5. This is the outside view.
Yeah, maybe there's room for like we can make a fire pit outside.
Definitely a fire pit. It needs a fire pit,
We'll
which
have to see if the HOA allows it though.
and sometimes even a private little playground too. Those are cool. I saw that one at another house. Have your own little playground. So deck, good sized deck, right?
Yeah.
So 2 picnic tables and a grill there. Okay. Bar area. Man, look at the kitchen. One of the things we always do with our kitchens is we always try to make sure there's enough seating area that matches the capacity of the home. I mean, you got 24 people, but you got this little 6, 8 man, 10 at the most as you squeeze. A little bit of bar, seating, maybe here, but it's kind of tight. So usually we kind of upgrade the table, right? So we'll do that. That's probably our first upgrade. Look at this kitchen. It's beautiful, right? And you got the built-in vent over here, which is important. Yep. Our first home with a gas stove. All the other ones have been kind of like flat top.
Oh yeah.
So.
Like gas. In here we have a laundry room.
Okay. Washer dryer. All right. And what's over there on the storage?
This is like owner's
Pantry.
closet
Okay, owner stuff. This is what's behind door number 3.
This is probably the garage.
Yes, the garage is like a luxury for a vacation rental because you can store so much stuff here if you need to, or even turn it into like bonus, like another bedroom or 2. So lots of potential here.
Yeah. Okay, we'll keep going.
We'll keep moving. We'll move quickly because
Let's go upstairs.
it's a big home and I don't want to run out of batteries. The cool thing is,
We're gonna go upstairs.
all right, let's head upstairs. The cool.
Nice wide.
Yeah, you know, I was going to say that I love being able to expand on a home, especially if it's not on well or septic, because that way you don't have limitations there, you know, like
Okay, lots of bedrooms here. We got
other
one here
homes.
that looks like a king.
Okay, king bedroom.
Okay.
Nice, nice.
Then over here, across the hall, we have
Ouch.
another queen and double combo.
Another queen and combo. Both queen, right?
Yeah, it's almost like the same mirror setup as downstairs. We have bedroom, then there's a bathroom.
Okay, it's easy to
A
remember.
full bathroom.
Another
And
full
then
bath.
Another bedroom, and this one actually has, it looks like maybe a fuller
Cool.
queen
Nice.
on the bottom with the twin on the top and then another twin. So it's actually sleeps two.
Carpet's good quality, nice and plush,
people.
right?
Yeah.
And you could fit, 3 right there, and it's not too crowded. It's good. I've seen a lot worse.
Okay.
All right, so that's 6 bedrooms so far. This is the 7th one, right?
This one's the master.
Master.
So we can probably fit more.
That's not politically correct these days. But anyways, this is a master.
It's got its own fireplace.
Mm-hmm. Dang, plenty of room.
Funny.
That's probably like another bonus, one person futon type deal right there.
Yeah, another futon here.
Okay. Owner's closet stuff that you can lock up and put owner's closet stuff in
Yeah,
here.
so you have your owner's closet, but you have this huge closet too for like the guest. I don't know who would use it.
Yeah.
If they stay here for a month or a week.
Yeah,
or
1 month stays are welcome.
And then we have this huge bathroom.
Got a little bathtub there. One sink,
A jetted bathtub.
2 sink. Nice luxurious corner shower and a little place there for a toilet.
I'm hoping for tankless water heater.
Yeah.
Whenever I see.
Yeah, when you see
jetted-
big old things like that. Okay, this is awesome.
And now let's go downstairs. That's the top.
Let's head downstairs. So what I really like about this layout is, it's kind of easy. It's like 3 and 4, right? So when we have a big home like this and we have all these bedrooms, you always like to label the bedrooms. It's good for us for when we're talking about issues with our cleaners or even issues with the guests. We can quickly refer to a bedroom number versus, it's the second one on the top left of the stairs and all that stuff. So we always number the bedrooms.
All right, so in the basement, I don't know if there's any bedrooms down here. It's all play down.
All play, baby.
So you can make as much noise as you want. And
Oh,
you
I
won't
like that.
bother the
That's
people
cool.
sleeping
That is cool.
upstairs. You got plenty to do. Like you can sit here and chat. Couch is a little bit far away for that. Maybe we rearrange it a little. But you have a full-size pool table.
Full-size pool table. Let me look at the view real quick out here.
Looks like it's in really good condition.
So this is a walkout. So cool. You should have a little playground. A little bit of a steep incline there, but here's a little bit of a flat area. All right.
Yep.
Fireplace, TV.
Huge television.
Man, look
for
at
watching
this.
Sports. Here's a full-size shuffleboard
Nice.
table.
Man,
We
that's-
only have the
That's a
rebound
that's
one.
a theme in all of our houses. We have a shuffleboard table in all of our houses. This one's actually smooth, so we got to wax the one in Pine Oak because it is kind of rough. All right, what's in this corner here?
This corner is our
I love this.
theater room.
Bam! Movie time!
Own indoor theater.
Wow.
Who needs to go to the movies during
I
COVID?
love this. I love this. Look at enough space for a movie theater room.
Or a stage for, little ones that want to present
A play.
play for you. You have a family get together.
That's Chloe.
Talent show.
Chloe's talent show.
A second fridge down here.
Second fridge, kind of tucked away here. Good use of space. You need a second fridge when you're hosting 16 plus people.
You got a card table here.
Card table.
Or maybe puzzles. Or
Puzzles,
whatever.
yeah. Game table.
Game table.
Man, this
And
game room is awesome.
got lots of storage. Like this is underneath the stair storage.
Yeah, like a spare TV.
Here's some more.
That's another television right there.
Yeah, you probably need spares.
There's
And
a
then you got like
bar
another
area.
storage area. Another seated area.
Man, awesome storage. I'm telling you, I'm turning that garage into another bedroom. We don't need more storage.
Here you have some foosball.
Foosball. I
And
love
this
foosball.
will be like seating area number
Wow.
3.
Or another bedroom.
Um,
Wow, this is great.
so
Plenty of seating area,
you
right?
can sleep down here.
So,
Oh, you forgot
TV,
one.
dartboard, and another owner's closet over here. So plenty of room for storage. And when you're looking for vacation rental, you do want good sized owner's closets, and you know, at least one, but this one has multiple, which is great because that way you can put any spare items that you need to replace quickly, or even your personal belongings, so that you can have personal belongings. So when you stay there, if you want your own sheets or towels, you can put that in there. This is another half bath. It would be great if this was a full bath. So it's harder to have a full a bedroom down here because you only have a half bath unless you want to do some major reno. This is a mechanical room. Most people find this boring, but I like to check this out. Oh, maybe I won't check it out because there's some glass here. Thank you, Autumn. Saved me from bleeding feet. But here is the HVAC and the water heater. That's about as far as I'll go. Oh, awesome. Overall impressions, Autumn. First impressions. First time seeing it. What do you think?
Huge. Huge.
It's huge.
Very open. I like the layout. I don't want to have a bedroom down here.
Yeah.
I want it to be all played out.
Yeah, and I don't think we have 7 already, you know?
We have plenty, and we don't want to like cram people in and then have issues with septic and stuff like that.
Yeah, but there's no septic though.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, no septic and no.
I think it's on well.
No well, I don't think.
Oh, bummer. That's too bad.
No, I don't mind that because then it's like you won't have any limitations on those systems. The other cool thing that I was gonna say is that I love the garage space.
Well, yeah, I mean, I love the storage because Pine Knoll doesn't have a whole lot of storage, and this is only 7 minutes from Pine Knoll, so we can store stuff here and grab stuff.
Yeah, it's really cool to have your own little storage facility, and that's the benefit of having your homes kind of close by, is that you can kind of rob Peter to pay Paul. Hey, I need light bulbs. I can't get them in time. I need some extra dishware pots. Go to the other home. Go to the other home's garage, and you can just keep a nice little stash there. And so the fact to have a storage unit here in the Lake Harmony area is going to be awesome. Even if we turned one into a bedroom and kept the other one as storage, or maybe even as a place for a vehicle that you can rent out via Turo. See, that's my other idea. It'd be cool if we had a place where you can drive around and like you're in the mountains and people want to rent a car. So that's another cool idea I've been thinking about. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about this Humongo home. Help us come up with a name for the Humongo home. Humongo home is not going to be an option, but we're calling it the Humongo home for now. What's in the running for names right now for this big house? We said Toulouse
we talked about
for the goose. We talked about Berkshire for the pigs. We have a cat named Tabby. So if we can incorporate any of those names into the name for this house, like we have for the past 2 houses, that'd be awesome. Comment below. We love your suggestions. Thank you for watching our first impressions of our 3rd home here in the Poconos. Let us know what you think in the comments below. What can we change? What should we keep? What should we not keep? We'd love to hear it in the comments below. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot. And please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. This is your favorite homeboy switching hands so I can sign out. Signing out.